Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free clipboard manager with password protection option for Windows and Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Passport. On the first list you will see the developer website, and as well as you can see its official website. Whichever website you want to use, you can use. So I'm gonna use this second website link. You can use the developer website link too. So now here you will see two download options for Mac as well as for Windows. You can get it from Microsoft, or you can just click on this free download for Windows. So firstly, download for your respective operating system. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on next, click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see this kind of user interface, and it will show you some instructions. You can click on start tour if you are new to this software, but right now I'll skip all the guidelines or tours. So on the left side you can see here all the clipboard histories, whichever you have copied will be shown here. So firstly let me give you a little demo. So let me try to copy these respective words. So I've copied it from the Microsoft Word software, right? Let me minimize it and let me open back the paste bar. So now you can see the recently copied clipboard histories. As you can see, I've just copied this hello everyone. It has automatically saved it inside this software, and if you place this mouse cursor on it, it will show you the source also, which from where I have copied. So you can see Microsoft Word. I've copied it from the Microsoft Word, so you can see from which software, application or web browser you have copied. It will show you here. So now in order to add a password protection, just click on this password, and now you'll see here settings, and now you will see here security. Just click on it. Now you can see here lock screen passcode. So just add the passcode or the password, whichever you want to set it. Just to give you an example, I've just set it a simple number, and once you're done, click on set. So you need to retype the same password. So our password or the passcode has been set, and below you can see here you can set a recovery password also. If you forget the default password, then you can just set it here, and now just click on the set password. I'll highly recommend to set a recovery password also, and just scroll down below and just enable this option, require screen unlock at application startup. Just enable this. Now all our password protection settings option has been set. You can just move back. Now you can directly lock from here itself. So on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl and L, so it will directly locked. So you need to put the password in order to unlock this application. So let me put my password, which I have set just now. So now you can see I've unlocked it, and even if I close it, and let me close it completely, just right mouse click on this icon and just click on quit. Now let me try to reopen this software. So now you can see here, whenever you restart or launch this application, then it will ask a password. So you need to put the password in order to use this. So once your password is set, it will get open. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free clipboard manager with password protection option for Windows and Mac computers that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.